Keeping people healthy and independent in their later years benefits both the elderly and society. Providing the care and support that lets older adults age in place in their homes, however, is complicated by the fact that many family members live at a distance and are not able to provide the kind of supervision and assistance in activities of daily living that helps elderly people maintain their independence. The telecommunications revolution now makes it possible to bring people at a distance together, but high levels of interaction, such as video conferencing, is usually expensive and requires a level of technical sophistication that most older adults lack. But our company is changing that now. Our company, BL Healthcare, has developed the TVX, a set-top box that creates a personal care channel on a home television. The TVX integrates remote monitoring in the home, communication with caregivers and family members outside, including video visits, and educational videos customized to an individual's needs. We designed the TVX to fit into the home, using a device that is already familiar to most Americans, a television and a remote control. It's simple to set up in the home. The basic version requires only 3 connections. Plug in the power, connect it to the TV, and plug in the communication cable, which can be an internet cable or a telephone line. We're making a version that works with wireless broadband, so you only need to connect the power and the TV. A simple remote control is all that a user needs to activate and navigate the personal health channel. Our testing has shown that it's easy for the elderly to learn and use this remote. The interface for caregivers and family members is an internet-connected computer with a web browser. We provide an easy-to-use interface that can allow different types of caregivers to see different information: healthcare providers, service providers, family members. From the web interface, one can send a video clip or a message to the resident, or start a video visit with just a few clicks of the mouse. All that's needed is a web camera and a microphone. Once the TVX is set up in the home, it creates a gateway to receive and send information that benefits an elderly resident. The TVX can communicate with a variety of wireless devices in the home. For example, it can monitor and transmit the results of vital sign monitors, like this blood pressure meter, medication dispensers for patients with chronic diseases, monitoring security systems, environmental controls like heating and cooling, and even passive motion sensors within the home to ensure resident safety and security. The TVX can display the results of all this information right on the TV, as well as to send it to a remote server where it can be accessed by qualified professionals and family members. The TVX can also enable educational videos to be provided to the elderly to improve their quality of life. Information about health, diet, exercise, memory aids, finances, relationships, almost anything that can be presented visually can be provided in an on-demand format on the TV. The resident simply chooses a selection of interest and clicks the remote. Here's an example of a video about living with diabetes.
Live your life, and that's important. When you control your blood sugar, you control your diabetes. Here's how exercise helps. Exercise can lower blood sugar. Diabetes medicine also makes it go down, while food makes blood sugar go up. Exercise, diabetes medicine, if prescribed, and a balanced meal plan need to work together to keep blood sugar balanced at a normal level.
Each TVX has a built-in high-resolution camera for video visits between residents in their homes and caregivers outside. The remote control also has a built-in microphone to let the caregiver or family member on the other end hear them. The caregiver initiates a visit from their web dashboard by clicking a single button. The resident accepts the visit request by clicking yes on the remote.
After a few seconds, the provider appears on the television as a full-screen image. The resident can hear using the television sound system. With broadband, The TVX system transmits at 25 to 30 frames per second with no latency, jitter, or pixelation. We use state-of-the-art video compression technology to ensure a high-quality image. It's easy to initiate a video visit at any time, and it helps healthcare providers and family members to do a visual assessment to see how the resident is doing.
The TVX platform can be used in the home, independent living facilities, and nursing homes. It's a 60601 compliant device that can be used in healthcare settings. The TVX is an integrated platform that brings together monitoring, communication, including video visits, and educational videos, all from one box in the home, all from one place on the web. For more information about our products, contact a Beal Healthcare representative or look us up on the web at www.bealhealthcare.com.